What's up, YouTube? So today we're making rice water, which I'm sure you've heard about it, with all the benefits of rapid hair growth, you know, hair thickness. And so I wanted to look at a couple videos and figure out how to do it, and now I'm giving that information to you. So stick right here with me and we're gonna get right into it.
You got the black girl booty, bubble like the brewery. Love is not a crime, tell the jury. Mine for the fame, for the money, for the jewelry. Every man I watch you how to do it. Bend your back now, settle on it.
Alright, so first off, the ingredients are the rice, of course, which I found on Amazon. They said to use organic rice, that's most important, they said. And then I got some spring water, which I just grabbed that because it's easy. I don't really think it matters if you use regular water, like tap water or whatever. I grabbed these oils just because I've been doing a lot of research on the pumpkin seed oil. It's supposed to be really good for you. But not only that, they said the rice water stinks crazy, so I got like lemon juice because they said to use lemon peels and I don't have any, so I thought a couple squirts of this. And then but I would say use the lemon peels or orange peels. That was like most what they were saying, most of the people were saying. These oils are like vitamin E, tea tree oil, which is all good for the hair, coconut oil, which is just shooken up in here. I'm gonna add to it. And then a tablespoon, because it's 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of water. So, and that's how you do it. So 2 tablespoons, 2 cups of water. I got 2 jars because I 2 mason jars because I want to make at least 2 cups of it. So I got 2 of these and they seal up because it's really important that everything that you use is sealed up so that it can ferment. And then I got a measuring cup, of course. So let's get started. So first off, they said the most important 2 tablespoons of rice. And then what you're going to do is you can just pour some water in there. I don't think I should have used spring water for this because now I'm just wasting. But you pour the water in and then you just do this for about, you squish it and you put your knuckles in there and all of that. And you do this for a good couple minutes. At least like 2 minutes. And this is how you wash the water to get off all the chemicals and things like that. So anytime, even if you're eating the rice, they say that you're supposed to do this. And I'm not gonna lie, I never do it, but I also boil it, so I feel like that gets everything off. So, but we're not boiling this. So you just do this for 5 minutes. When it gets all cloudy, you pour it into the strainer. So I messed up at first. I kind of put everything in the strainer, which made no sense. You put everything in the strainer and you go ahead and pat that out. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be transferring this to our jars, and I'm just going to try to separate it a little evenly so that it goes in our jars. Alright, so I'm just going to separate it and put it in. I'm going to add that cup of water to it. And this is supposed to ferment. So some people don't make it like that. They, you know, just put it in there for 30 minutes and seal it up. Now I'm just going to add like a drop of the pumpkin seed oil. And I'm going to add a drop of my mixtures. Well, a couple drops because this smells good. I put a little lavender oil in there too because they said that was fine. It's good for you. So yes, I'm going to seal that one up. Oh, you know what, I'm going to put a couple of squirts of this, but I don't think you really need the lemon juice. Just will be extra, but doesn't hurt. So you seal this up and you let it sit out. So that you don't put it in the refrigerator or anything like that. You let it sit out for 24 hours. And they said it's gonna stink. Well, mine isn't gonna stink. Look at me, I'm so clumsy. So you let it sit for 24 hours, and then the way that you use it, you basically can use it as a rinse. So after you wash your hair, you put it in there and you rinse it. I would let it sit for like at least 30 minutes, but you can also use it as a deep condition, which you leave it on for hours under a plastic cap, and then rinse it out. Just remember to rinse it out after you're done. So yeah, so we have our stuff. I'm gonna give it a little shake. And this is your rice water. You know, oil and water don't mix, but this will sit in there, and then what'll happen is after you're done, you strain out the rice. So that's really important. You have to strain the rice back out and then keep everything else. Okay, so you can just pour it into another cup and the rice will stay at the bottom most likely. Alright, and then that's when you can put it in the refrigerator to keep everything locked in. But I think 24 hours is a good amount of time from what I was reading. And then you put it in the refrigerator and you're all set. Second bottle, I just repeated. But one thing I wanted to mention before I let you go is I heard that it's not good to boil it because it may kill all the chemicals, like all the nutrients that you need. So I wouldn't boil it. I would just, you know, rock out with the sitting it out thing. And that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna follow back up with y'all and see how my growth is. But if you've been wanting to make this and you didn't know exactly how to do it, or you thought it was an easier process than what I just did, at least you know now, sis. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, leave, you know, let me know what you want me to try next. I'm gonna be trying all types of stuff, okay? Because I'm focused on my glow up, sis, and you know, part of that is, you know, your hair, your skin, your nails, your underarms, your, you know, you want everything lit. So comment down below anything you want me to try. I'll get all the ingredients and try it. Honey, I order stuff on Amazon like it's nobody's business because I got Prime and you know how that is.